All right, here's that 2011 F450 for you. I'm gonna start, have my guy take us for a drive again. That way I can video while he drives, and then we'll get back and run it for you. The glow plug's warm for a second. All right, so it's got, there's the door jar. 222, 257. Well, that's just not zooming in very good, is it? There it goes. Alright, I'm gonna hop out and have him drive us. That way I can video and communicate. Try to clean the screen a little bit. Alright, let's go for a drive. Alright. Hop in the other side here. Then I'm gonna do a good walk around for you once we get back. Still limping with the bum ankle, so. Alright. It's over here while he's driving so you can see everything boost and operate. Hop on the road, do the same little flip around thing. You can see on the dash, this one actually has different gears listed on it. Function of the newer truck actually has a select shift 6-speed in it, so you can pick your gears and whatnot. Builds good boost, runs out. These are your knobs and stuff. God, this bad angle with the sun right here today. Stays nice and good there. 6 gear, cruising. Alright, we'll loop around up here. Any wobble or anything in the wheel? No? So this one had a flat spot in one of the tires, but I guess it's worn itself out now because it seems to be not doing it anymore. Get the big tow mirrors on the sides. Center console. It is a 6.7, so you do have the DEF system and everything in this one too. Acceleration there. Curve in the road, but when we get back, I'll have to run the boom for you. Behind me, but that's pretty common on these. I think this was a backup camera of some sort that was installed at some point in here. It's got this little thing in there too. I don't know what this was. It was up on the dash. It's like a solar panel of some sort. Drivability, there's your switch functions, down here's your brake controller, book in the glove box, and yeah, just pull it up right here next to this one, we'll run it here. I'm going to hop out while he's getting the PTO and stuff turned on, and just same as the other truck, e-brake goes in, and then number 4 is actually the PTO on this one, even though number 1's labeled, it's number 4, but I'll turn all of them on. Just because same thing as before, control panels down here. It does have them up at the bucket as well. There's the boom. This is only a single stage, so you only have the 1 arm, not the 2, which is why it's 35 foot, not 40. There it goes. Let me zoom out and I'll scoot back here so you can telescopes up too. Let's take it all the way up. That's it. Alright, come up here and get up close to it. Little marks in the door where they scrape their logos off. Front tire, good tread on it. There's the frame. A little bit of pitting on the around that. Right there, a little bit of pitting. Frame's nice and solid though. Control arms. Driver's side tire. Same thing over here, a little bit of pitting on the shock tower. Probably gonna need new shock at some point. Frame's all good though. You can still see all the square heads on both. This one's all still there. Get underneath it here for you too. Disengage that PTO. Underneath here for you. All the 2011 up F450s and 550s due to a transmission difference with the 6.7. You do get a PTO rattle on them whenever it's not operating. You can Google it, it's very common. They do make a shim kit that'll get rid of that. It just goes inside, there's the bottom of the door frame there. The shim kit just goes in the transmission, helps get rid of that rattling noise. If you Google F550 PTO rattle, it'll pull up everything in with the 6.7. 2014 they made that shim kit standard, so anything 2014 and up doesn't have it. Now these are locked. Hold on, let me unlock it. There you go. There's that box. There's this box. There's the back end. This is the part I was telling you about. A little bit of pitting back here in the back, right there. I can't push through it. It's not soft, but it is there. So there you go. There and right there around the lights. And it's pitted a little bit, but see underneath. And this side's got it right here too. But everything stays in there like it should. Probably have a welder make a whole plate if you wanted to, probably for a couple $100 bucks. There you go underneath there. But when you come down, look at the frame and everything. Frame and everything is solid on here. These little back extensions always seem to take more abuse than the rest of the truck. There's your controls in this box. This tire does look like somebody curbed something at some point. There's this frame underneath here. Like I said, it's got a little bit of surface rust. I know people from up north, they see when I show them stuff like this, they laugh at me, but you know, I'd still rather show it than not show it to you. Here's the inside of that box. Oh, this one has an inverter too. Don't know if it works, but it's there. And then you already saw this door. I'm going to pop the hood, show you the engine, and I'll get this video out to you. Now again, with the 6.7s, I always suggest doing a delete. They just naturally will run much better when they're deleted. There it is. And let's see, there's gonna be one more thing. Engine, boom, everything ran. I guess that's it. All right. Oh yeah, here. Let's do this for you too. Pretty blow by. Yeah, it's just sitting there. It's not dancing or nothing, so there's no blow by. So I take those oil caps off and they sit there and dance like they're tap dancing on top of it. That's never good. So there she is. I'll get this out to you.